Part 2. Anyways, let me just pause. Boom! Last video, we just gotta eat this now, which is my favorite. So we're gonna go best to worst. Okay, man. Cheese ball, cheese puff, whatever. This is just heavy. Oh, damn it. Today, I'm not cold. More chocolate. More chocolate. More chocolate. Yeah, more chocolate. The next one's gonna be from Class A Corn. Class A Corn. Anyways, comment down your percentage. I said comment down your percentage. Oh! No, please, no. It's 100% chocolate. Anyway, that's enough for today.